Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do the twisted German cast on, which I find is a really stretchy cast on and quite easy to get. I'll use this for socks and double folded brims on a hat and things like that, so it's nice and stretchy, and it's a lot like the long tail cast on, so it's pretty simple to do. So to start with, like I say, it's a lot like long tail cast on, so you do need a long tail and then your working yarn. I start with a slip knot. The reason I do, you don't need to, but the reason I do is because if you don't, we all know what it's like if you don't get the tail long enough, and it happens to everybody. If you don't make the tail long enough, when you pull it out, you know where your marker was, so you can kind of judge how much more you need to add on. So I always start with a slip knot for that reason. So pop your needle on. This might be a pain because they're a bit twisty. And then hold it like the long tail cast on. So we're going to put our thumb under the tail around and the working yarn around your first finger, and just hold it underneath your second finger to keep it tight. Okay, so you've got this V shape going on. You've got hold of the yarn and your little finger down the bottom, wrapped around your thumb, wrapped around your first finger. Now get that nice and taut. Hold your slip knot in place. Okay, so we're going to go under both thumb strands, both of them there. Turn and bring your needle down past the back thumb strand through the loop between your thumb. Turn again and collect the first finger strand, and then if you can see, you've got a cross here. We're going in there, in that little bit here. So the best way to do that is to just turn your thumb to open that up and pop your needle through and then pull tightly. So try that again. Under both thumb loops, turn and bring it down through the actual loop. Turn again, pick up the finger strand and then turn your thumb around to go through that loop. Okay? You need to give them both a tug to tighten it onto your needle. So both thumb loops, through, turn, collect, down and pull that through. Obviously don't go too far down, you drop the loop. One more time, up, through, around, collect, turn. And that is your twisted German cast on, and it is lovely and stretchy, and yeah, it's ideal for socks and hats and mittens, anything you need a good stretch to. And there you go.